How to check an Ulta Beauty e-gift card balance. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to check it out. So let's just dive right in. So if you want to do it online, it's pretty easy. We can head over to the Ulta Beauty website and we can scroll to the bottoms of our website and go to the section right here, Get Help. Once we are here, we can click on this option called gift cards and head over to the next page. And this page opens up. Now what we can do is we can scroll from this page right here and scroll to the section called check balance right here. And we just need to enter up our e-gift card number from our email. So provide it up in this section, your e-gift card number. And once you provide it up right here in this section, you need to provide in the PIN, which will be in your email also. So you can enter it up. Once it is done, you can click on this option called check balance and your remaining balance will be shown instantly. Otherwise, you can go to your email as well. And once you are in your emails, you can open up the email that you received when the gift card was sent. And there you can card for the gift card number and the PIN code. If it was sent to someone else, ask them to forward the email and you should be able to do it. Otherwise, you can look out for the Ulta support as well. You can scroll down in here. We'll be finding different options. We can look out for gift card once again, and there find in phone number section that we can contact them. Usually right below the check balance, we can find the phone number that we can contact on and provide in our e-gift card number and PIN, and then go ahead and view our balance. And that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to do it, which is pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.